Hello, good evening. It is 6 o'clock. Today is Wednesday, and I welcome you to Wellness Wednesdays with Dr. Devika Deshmukh at the Vilepale Club Group. Ta-da-dan! Today we'll be talking about skin. Last week, भरपूर मला काही काही प्रश्न आले की what is good about skin, what is good about how can we take care of skin ड्युरिंग स्प्रिंग्स किंवा आता समरमध्ये आपण काय करावं, काय खावं, काय प्यावं, काय लावावं. सो मेनी क्वेश्चन्स टू दॅट की मग मी ठरवलं की येस, तुमच्या डिमांडमुळे बिकॉज ऑफ पब्लिक डिमांड लेट अस ॲड्रेस दिस टॉपिक ऑफ स्किन. सो व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली डू वी डू वेन यू हॅव different skin types, different seasons in which you will be taking care of your skin. How does skin care routine change as per Ayurveda or change as per the seasons? So तुम्हाला ऐकू येत असेल तर please send me a hi. Today I'm able to access my video screen through my phone. So त्यामुळे कदाचित मला डायरेक्ट मेसेजेस येणार नाहीत, but in that case please feel free to type in your message and send that to me. You can also send that to me on devika deshmukh @gmail.com. okay, so तो माझा जीमेल आहे. किंवा मला तुम्ही मेसेंजरवरती यू कॅन इवन डायरेक्टली मेसेज मी ऑन द मेसेंजर. दॅट वे आय विल गेट युअर क्वेश्चन्स. For today, let me give you a brief and a little bit in depth about skincare in Ayurveda. So whatever questions are, I'll be happy to address them at the end. So at last. So let me just see if all the settings and everything is done. And there. Okay. Yes, I think we are good. I'm sending a hi to everyone, so that I can see if you reply, I'll be able to see it over here. All right, so skincare. Ayurvedat हे म्हणलेलं आहे that beauty is skin deep. That means the beauty comes from within. It is not the makeup only that showers you with beauty. Beauty comes from the inside. Right? When you talk about a person, oh, she is so beautiful or he is so beautiful, जेव्हा आपण त्यांना भेटतो and you say that means that the person is beautiful inside out, right? Not on televisions or over magazines. Yes, that is all makeup, that is all photoshopping, everything. That is also a kind of beauty, but that is superficial. The natural beauty comes from deep within. So Ayurvedaचा हा concept आहे that beauty is skin deep. So when you say it is skin deep, what is skin? Skin is the largest organ of your body. It does not only take care of maintaining thermostatus, म्हणजे temperature of your body. It also gives out a lot of toxins via sweat. It also absorbs a lot of things that you put on it. तुम्ही जर बघितलं असेल तर skin, the layer of skin, the thickness varies from place to place, right? The soles of your feet, the skin over there is thicker than the one on your face. It's very thinner, right? So when you are talking about beauty, it is whole skin. But when you are going in for example, if you have a place where you are the face of your workplace, or you have to handle clients while talking face to face, then definitely what shows up the most is your face. So that is why we say that we need to take care of this, because it is filled with expressions. It is filled with whatever is going on inside of you will reflect on your face. Face is the reflection of your emotions. Face is a reflection of what's going on inside you, and also the skin of your face is the thinnest as compared to overall in your body. म्हणूनच हीट जास्त झाली की ॲक्ने लगेच येतात, फेसवर येतात पहिले, राईट? किंवा जर काही ड्रायनेस आला तर लिप ड्रायनेस जास्त होतो, फेसवरती ड्रायनेस जास्त दिसतो, राईट? सो ऑल ऑफ दिस हॅपन्स बिकॉज युअर फेस इज एक्स्ट्रीमली सेन्सिटिव्ह टू टेम्परेचर चेंजेस अराउंड. your face is extremely sensitive towards anything around. All the emotions are shown up on your face. So that is why beauty or taking care of your face is what we will be talking right now for these next few minutes. But also we will be talking about the overall skin health of our of the whole body. So when we are talking about skin आणि beauty, आयुर्वेदिक ही कॉन्सेप्ट आहे की जेव्हा तुम्हाला आतनं तुम्ही when you are happy mentally and physically, it shows up on your skin, it shows up on your body, right? So taking care of that, there are 3 different constituencies, there are 3 different energies in Ayurveda as per your mind body constitution. So one is Vata, one is Pitta, and one is Kapha. Now what are these? All of these are equally present in all of us. It is just the variation in proportion that marks each of us differently and uniquely. If you have more energy of Vata type, that is dominant in Vata, you would be a person who would get up and go, the go-getters. Okay? So similarly, the hydration content of that type of a skin is going to be lesser because they work out a lot. They're constantly charged. They're like energy bunnies. So in that type, your skin is going to be a little towards the drier side, a little towards a darker complexion, a little towards something that gets dehydrated very easily and gets affected by a lot of climatic changes very soon. Kind of a little sensitive skin. That is why hyperpigmentations are often seen in that type of a skin. There might be extreme dryness or chapping of lips in that kind of a skin. Second Prakriti is Pitta, म्हणजे transformative, म्हणजे ज्याच्यात agni or fiery, you know, some people are always charged up and fiery. So all of that comes under Pitta, alright? So that means if you are more prone to acne, towards redness, towards sensitivity of the skin is higher, or irritation of the skin, inflammations, that means you need to take care of the fire content in you. And the last type is Kapha, where swellings over the face, if you have a tendency that you get up in the morning and puffiness ahe eyes cha aspas, then that means you are you belong to that category where you can retain water content in your skin very easily. So आता हे 3 different types आहेत. While I'm explaining, I will definitely address the questions, but I would be happy to address them last today because there is so much to talk to. So I'm taking one question, but I will definitely answer all of your questions at the end of the session. Okay, I'm just taking one question now. How many times should we wash our face? So face washing excessively is also harmful, and face washing not at all throughout the day is also harmful for the skin. Again, skin is an organ, it needs to breathe, right? So wash your face twice or thrice a day max. Among that, wash your face once or twice. It is better if you wash it twice, in the morning and in the evening, with a nice cleansing face wash. Alright, so now that really helps cleanse the pores. Sarvat important skin cleansing routine is cleanse, moisturize, tone, pat and sleep. Okay, cleanse, moisturize, tone, pat and sleep. The moment you are following all of these, कुठलाही सीझन असो तुमची स्किन ही तुकतुकीत आणि छानच राहणार. आय बेट यू अपॉन दॅट. कारण आयुर्वेदाला हे प्रिन्सिपल्सच आहेत की स्किन तुमची जेवढी स्वेट बाहेर टाकते तेवढंच तुम्ही जे लावता त्यातला 60% ॲब्झॉर्ब पण करते. 60% ॲब्झॉर्प्शन कॅपॅसिटी skin has that because our skin is the largest organ. It absorbs like so fast. So you have to be very careful when you are choosing a cream or you are choosing anything at all to put on your skin. They always say do a patch test, right? So do that on the side, the other end of your hand. So ह्या बाजूला किंवा even your forearmच्या आतल्या बाजूला definitely do a patch test before applying anything to the skin. And as much as possible, do not apply any chemicals. आपल्याला बाहेर जाताना मेकअप करावा लागतो किंवा काही करावं लागतं. Let that time be very limited because your skin needs to breathe. Tell me how this concept goes with you. We are alive, our skin is alive, it is breathing. So how exactly are the dead chemicals, those who are not living, not breathing, going to nourish us. We eat plants, right? Vegetables, fruit, they are live. They are providing us with a lot of nutrition because they're not dead. Liveness, if something is nutritious by itself, it provides us with nourishment. If it is not, then do not go for temporary based solutions to treat acne, to treat pigmentations of the skin at all. So among sunscreens, what you apply, sunscreens are good, but what I would suggest you is, as far as possible, avoid going out in direct sun. Applying sunscreens is good, but only for a limited period again. If you are going to get exposed to the sun, it is better to cover up and go than apply a layer and still expose skin to radiations or to heat, extreme heat. Every day applying sunscreen is a no-no. Do not do that. Anything above SPF 30 is SPF 30. It is a marketing tactic that you get at SPF 40, 50, 80. No, SPF 30 is the limit. So SPF 30 should be good enough for you if you're applying any sunscreen. What I would suggest is, or what Ayurvedic principles do, tell us that if you're going to go outside, previous night hydrate your skin. Put multani mitti lep, put rose water along with it, and sleep at night. So that next day when you are going to expose yourself to the skin, your skin is already cool. It will not get burnt much. It will not get affected much. It is hydrated. All right. So ओके, सो हा त्यातला सर्वात महत्त्वाचा पॉईंट आहे. दुसरा अतिशय महत्त्वाचा म्हणजे वेन यू आर क्लेन्झिंग युअर स्किन, मेक शुअर दॅट यू नो हाऊ युअर स्किन रिस्पॉन्ड्स टू. इन द सेन्स, जर तुम्हाला स्क्रब्स वापरायचे असतील तर प्रत्येकाला प्रत्येक स्क्रब विल नॉट सूट. ओके, seasonal fruits are very good to eat and to apply on your skin. Always remember that. So if you start your day with one seasonal fruit, see how nicely your skin will glow. What are total antagonistic to your skin care are fried fruits, fried items, very old fruits, so त्यातनं nourishment totally गेलेली आहे ते, alcohol and lack of sleep. So alcohol dehydrates your skin completely, आणि lack of sleep. So जिथे कुठे झोप नाही होत तिथे आपल्याला स्किन ग्लो दिसत नाही. The more fruits you intake in the early times of the morning, the better your skin health is going to be throughout the day. Okay, so face packs also differ. Now I'm coming to that. Okay, एक तर first cleansing of your skin. How do you do cleansing of your skin? Morning, evening, wash your face. You can even scrub it with a seasonal fruit. Okay, don't go for hard scrubbers at all. Give steam inhalation to your skin. Let your skin breathe a little bit of hot air, पण dry hot air नाही. So नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं की आपण क्लेन्झिंग केलं, क्लेन्झिंग करून झाल्यानंतर मग स्टीमिंग करायचं. ओके, स्टीमिंग कशाने करायचं? जस्ट यूज अ नॉर्मल हॉट वॉटर. यू कॅन पुट one leaf, a bay leaf in it, or tulsi leaf in it, or eucalyptus leaf in it. ओके, सो हे कुठलेही लीफ तुम्ही त्यात घालून छानपैकी स्टीम करू शकता. बट रिमेंबर टू क्लोज युअर आईज वेन यू टेक स्टीम. स्टीम इज नॉट गुड फॉर युअर आईज ॲट ऑल. नाउ दिस गोज बोथ फॉर ड्राय अँड ऑइली स्किन. यू कॅन डेफिनेटली गो विथ ऑल ऑफ दीज फॉर बोथ द टाइप्स ऑफ स्किन. ओके, आणि आफ्टर यू आर डन विथ टेकिंग स्टीम इनहेलेशन अँड for another 5 to 10 minutes, then gently scrub. Okay, what scrubs can you use? If you're not allergic to turmeric, go with turmeric besan. Some people are allergic to turmeric, avoid turmeric then go for multani mitti. Or if not, the best scrub for oily skin as well as dry skin is Triphala Churnam. So Triphala Churnam has Haritaki, Amlaki and Vibhitaki. So Amlaki is very good for pitta. Okay, so hyperpigmentations or inflammations. Haritaki is very good for dry skin, and Vibhitaki is very good for swellings of the face. So for all skin types, oily or dry, you can definitely go for a face scrub with Triphala Churnam. All right. Once that is done, you have to pat dry your face and apply a nice face pack. Okay, so for oily skin, a face pack having the base of rose water will be good. Another thing, face pack for skin, for dry skin, if you can put a little bit of face pack having milk किंवा दुधावरची साय जी असते cream, those are good. Alright, so I'm just giving you basis. Another thing, for dry, for rather a combination skin, or yes, a combination skin mainly, it is not neither too dry nor too oily. In that, go with a mixture of 10 ml sesame seed, 10 ml olive oil, and just 5 ml almond oil. So यहाँ 3 sesame seed, olive oil and almond oil. So now that take in proportion of 10 ml, 10 ml, 5 ml. So that proportion मध्ये ते घ्या. In the sense, अगदी थोडे थोडे द्या. If you start with drops, definitely go with like 2 drops and 1 drop. See how your skin is responding it. Mix it well, apply it, keep it for half an hour, and then just wash your face. Okay, and pat dry. That goes very well for combination skins. आतमधले oils retain होतात, at the same time excessive oil बाहेर येत नाही. All right. So I'm taking up another question. All right. So good. This is good. I am happy to see responses. I have given answers to questions so far. आपण अजून आता बघूया. Something that really interests me and I want to show you today is self face massage. Okay, so this is a very important step. फक्त हे चांगलं नाही आहे that you are definitely going to go to cleanse and tone and face pack, and but where does massage come? Massage is very, very important for your facial skin, right? So how do you do these face massages? There are some strokes. The most important stroke is upward and around. So it is going to be upward and around. Okay, so now for dark circles especially, the strokes around the eyes will definitely help reduce dark circles. आपण साधारण screen बघताना ना, you do this. You don't even know that you are doing this while you are watching the screen. So your muscles here are always going to be tensed, right? So whenever you are tensed and the muscles over here get pulled, the eye pouches are formed, and that is how you get dark eyes, because there is no circulation of blood over there. So to prevent dark circles, of course, internal medication is also very, very helpful. जसं की the content of ghee in your bowels, the content of ghee in your body, because now these all sockets and everything, they require oils, good oils. तूप हे फार महत्त्वाचं आहे, खाणं पण आणि लावणं सुद्धा. But at the same time, I will also tell you how massage is done, face massage. Okay, now once you have done the steaming and before applying the face pack, definitely go with massage. We should always start the face massage by starting with the neck, going upward and outward. Okay, so go up and out, up and out, never like this, always like this, because anti-gravity is important for uplifting the face naturally. All right, once you come up, massage your face in this direction. All right, mug, once you are here, massage your forehead in a circular pattern. If you are watching me, why don't you do it with me? Massage it in circular pattern. किती छान वाटतं, you feel very relaxed, right? Now your eyebrows are something that you need your pinch to be with. So you're going to be gently pinching your eyebrows. You're slowly enhancing the circulation around and above your eyes, which is very important. These are all stress relieving points. Okay, then next comes, place your thumb on your cheekbone. Yes, over here, and then both on your cheekbones and one finger out, and you are going to massage the eyes in a circular way. डोळे बंद ठेवा. Okay, your nail should not be pricking your eyes at all. What pressure? The pressure of a coin on your hand. तुम्ही जर 2 रुपयाचं नाणं हातावर ठेवलं तर किती हलकं लागेल, तेवढ्या हलक्या हाताने मसाज करायचं आहे. ओके, ट्राय पुटिंग दॅट कॉइन अँड सी की किती प्रेशर आहे. ओ एवढंच प्रेशर का, ठीक आहे, तेवढ्याच प्रेशरनी मसाज करायचं आहे. ओके, सो यू आर डुईंग दिस circular about 7 to 8 times. After that, take both of your first 2 fingers and इथेच राहील बोट. Okay, and then massage the bridge of your nose down. Massage from up towards the sides of your eyes. Okay, close your fist, take this part and now massage your cheeks. Nice and up. सो नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचा, वरती जाण्याचा स्ट्रोक फास्टर असला पाहिजे किंवा तो जास्त प्रेशरनी असला पाहिजे. खाली येण्याचा स्ट्रोक प्रेशरनी नसला पाहिजे. बिकॉज यू आर डुईंग अ फेस मसाज टू अपलिफ्ट युअर अँड टोन युअर फेस, टोन युअर स्किन. ओके, सो ऑल द अपवर्ड गोईंग स्ट्रोक्स विल बी विथ अ लिटल बिट ऑफ प्रेशर, पण खाली येणारे स्ट्रोक्स विल नॉट बी विथ एनी प्रेशर. ऑल राईट, खाली येणारे स्ट्रोक्स जस्ट नॅचरली खाली येऊ देत, वर जाणारे स्ट्रोक्स प्रेशर बरोबर असू देत. ऑल राईट, मेक शुअर दॅट when you do this, you are now releasing your lower jaw down. आणि तुम्हाला जाणवेल की इथे बऱ्यापैकी प्रेशर्स असतात. राईट, सो once we finish this stroke, then with the thumb we are going to gently bring angle to our face. So angles of our face ला मसाज करायचा आहे. तो तुम्ही वरनं खाली आणला तरी चालणार आहे. ओके, isn't it simple? So we'll start that again and finish it in one go. Step 1, नेकला करायचा आहे about 6 to 7 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then you go up to your cheeks and your temples. Cheeks 5 to 6, 7 times. Okay, त्याच्यानंतर forehead round. त्याच्यानंतर pinch your eyebrows. That feels good. After here, put your thumb on your cheekbone, दोन्ही साइडच्या, one finger up, and massage around your eyes. Good. Clockwise or anti-clockwise doesn't really matter. Don't prick your eyes with your nails. That's all. Okay. त्याच्यानंतर 2 fingers out, nose of the bridge to the cheeks, nose of the bridge to the cheek. Oh, this is nice. Then इकडचा भाग to your cheeks. Okay, okay, all right. Then angle of your face. All right, हा झाला थोडक्यात मसाज. Okay, once this is done, the massage part is done, then you can go for फेस पॅक. ओके, आता फेस पॅकचं असं असतं की किती वेळ लावू इज द क्वेश्चन. सो फेस पॅक यू कॅन पुट टिल द फेस पॅक बिकम्स ड्राय विदाउट ॲक्च्युअली ब्लोईंग एअर ऑन इट. सो डोंट यूज अ हेअर ड्रायर or anything to blow air on it, or don't sit near the window so that it will just dry within no time. Sit in a closed place where you can apply face pack and let it dry. खूप thick face pack apply करू नका if your skin is oily. If your skin is oily, go for thinner face packs. Okay, and if your skin is towards the drier side, then go with a little thicker face pack. For combination skin, go with face packs more on the T-zone and lesser on all the other areas of your skin. There is a question that says, is rose water a good toner? Oh, it's an excellent toner. Rose water is the best toner that you can naturally acquire from roses from your garden. So definitely go with that. टोनर मध्ये सर्वात बेस्ट आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाचा इज रोज वॉटर टोनर. दॅट इज व्हेरी गुड फॉर युअर स्किन. पण इफ यू हॅव गॉन आउट अँड बॉट रोज वॉटर, then definitely mix it with half a quantity of normal water and then use it over the face. Okay, do not apply it directly. All right, good face massage tips. Thank you. Oh, you're most welcome. I'm so happy to show that to you. Being an Ayurvedic physician and a Panchakarma specialist, massage is something that I hold near and dear to me. Ayurvedic massages, and I'm really glad that you're watching here and you are here and giving me a comment. Thank you so much. Okay, so once all of this is done, finally काय उरतं is face pack झाल्यानंतर pat dry, and the last that we had talked about is sleep. Okay, you have to take good amount of rest. दुपारची झोप नाही. ज्यांना ॲक्ने जास्त असतं किंवा पिगमेंटेशन जास्त असतं, दुपारची झोप ही पिगमेंटेशन वाढवतं. ओके, बट नॉट इफ युअर नाईट स्लीप इज नॉट फाईन. म्हणजे रात्री फक्त 2-3 तासात झोप झाली असेल तर दुपारची झोप इज गुड. बट इफ नॉट, then definitely don't take afternoon sleep. Have a good sleep at night. So night sleep is extremely important to avoid furthermore breakages in our skin and to repair damaged tissue of our skin. Another important thing is, before going to sleep, do not prick on your acne. If you have acne or anything on your skin, before you go to sleep, just after the toning, just pat dry and go to sleep. Another important tip is, never apply face packs after the sunset is down, because your skin is now not breathing. The pores are gone down and they're going to close. Okay, never apply a face pack to closed pores. So that is why you should not be applying any face packs in the evening unless and until your physician has told you otherwise, की नाही रात्रीच हा लावा किंवा रात्रीच ह्याचं काम जास्त होतं. फार एक्सेप्शन्स असतात असे, फार कमी एक्सेप्शन्स असतात असे, पण इन दॅट केस डेफिनेटली गो फॉर द इव्हनिंग फेस पॅक्स. अदरवाईज जेव्हा कधी फेस पॅक लावायचं आहे, ऑलवेज अँड ऑलवेज मॉर्निंग टाइम्स आर गुड फॉर फेस पॅक्स. If your skin is extra dry, then there is a very nice tip that I can give you. Almonds असतात ना आपले, बदाम, soak them overnight, 3 to 4 of them overnight. Now this is this comes from a basic principle in Ayurveda, and also one of my friend who is a makeup artist, she does that. Okay, so याच्यात तुम्ही ते बुडवा आणि छानपैकी लेट इट सोक ओव्हरनाईट. इन द मॉर्निंग put those in a mixer and nicely grind it, make it into a paste. ठीक है, now that fresh paste along with a little bit of water, इतकी फाइन क्रश करा कि it is as good as like just a paste. Little bit of scrub. Now that early morning scrub on to your face. Now do this only if your skin is dry, not oily. Oily skins वर acne येऊ शकतात, dry skin ला अजिबात काही होणार नाही. Nicely massage it, scrub it for about 5 minutes and then just wash your face. That will give you an excellent glow on the skin. Hyperpigmentations असतात ते खाली जातात, tanning असतं ते जातं. Another good tip for tanning is this combination that I told you before, that contains sesame seed oil, ऑलिव्ह ऑइल आणि आमंड ऑइल. या तिघांचे कॉम्बिनेशन्स घ्या इक्वल प्रपोर्शनमध्ये. when your skin gets tanned, every day after that for 7 days apply that mixture to your skin just before taking a shower. So apply that, massage and then take a shower, apply face wash. That is okay. Whenever you are choosing a face wash, see to it that it does not have a big list of all the chemicals added to it. Take as basic of a face wash as you can. If not, wash your face every day with milk. That provides moisture to your skin. So that is आपल्या लहानपणी आपल्या आज्यांनी आपलं सगळं अंग हे दुधाने धुतलं होतं, right? So if that was suiting us then, why wouldn't it suit us now? That is one of the best cleansers and best moisturizers that you could get. So always and always know that you need to moisturize your skin. So this milk is a very good moisturizer that I can use, and even like a face wash, a natural face wash at home that you can use. Like I mentioned, Triphala powder is excellent for cleaning up all the pores. Okay. Another thing that you need to know is know your skin type. कारण स्किनला 5 लेयर्स असतात. ओके, त्यांपैकी पहिल्या 2 लेयर्स पर्यंतच आपलं हे सगळं जातं. बाकीचे 3 लेयर्समध्ये जर काही डॅमेजेस असतील, जसं की अ स्कार और कट और वुंड और ॲक्ने सिन्स मेनी इयर्स, तर मग दे गो अँड दे सिट इन डीप रूटेड पॅचेस, डीप रूटेड लेयर्स ऑफ अ स्किन. दॅट इज अ 3rd, 4th and 5th लेयर. जर त्याच्यात झालेलं असेल तर वॉट एव्हर यू डू फ्रॉम द एक्सटर्नल इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू मच. You have to take care and you have to approach an Ayurvedic doctor, or you can come to me for internal care, because that is one of the most important thing. If your stomach is laughing, your skin laughs. That means तुमचं stomach एकदम clean असेल तर तुमची skin एकदम छान असते. जर ते नसेल, जर constipation असेल, definitely dryness असतो स्किनवर, राईट. जर खूप जास्त लूज टूल्स होत असतील तर स्किन पेल असते, डल असते, राईट. हे कायम असतं. इफ यू सी ह्याचं हे पेअर आहे एक, वन विदाउट अनदर, और वन गोज डाऊन अनदर गोज डाऊन टू, तसं होतं. सो दॅट इज वाय क्लीन युअर गट. हाऊ डज युअर गट गेट क्लीन्ड? At night, instead of having chapati and rice and everything, slowly move on to bhakri, where there will be more fiber, there will be more nutrition, at the same time fiber content पण जास्त असेल, and you flush out all the toxins in the morning. सकाळची तुमचं मोशन्स हे साफ झालेच पाहिजे, so that your skin on your face glows very nicely. Throughout the day too, now that it is summers, avoid curd, but definitely go for buttermilk. Just changing that will definitely work very well for your skin. Start having buttermilk every single day. तर buttermilk मध्ये मी काय घालू? हिंग, जिरं आणि अजवाईन. सो these 3 things if you put, आणि थोडीशी कोथिंबीर चिरून घातली वरनं, that is it. It is the best for your skin. There is a question, can you please tell us again what we have to use for dry skin? Okay, so for dry skin, दुधावरची साय is the best, or दूध is the best. Okay, रोज अगदी तुम्ही फेस पॅक सारखी नुसती ती लावलीत तरीही तुम्हाला खूप फरक पडेल. Another thing for dry skin that I had mentioned is almonds soaked in water overnight. In the morning, crush them, put them in mixie, little bit of water in it, nicely make it a paste and scrub your face. Now हे कधी करायचं? रोज नाही करायचं. हे फक्त 7 दिवसातनं एकदा, म्हणजे आठवड्यातनं एकदा करायचं. हा स्क्रब करायचा. ओके, आणि whenever you're taking steam, go with eucalyptus leaf or bay leaf. त्या स्टीम पाण्यात घाला आणि टेक इट. स्टीमरमधनं स्टीम घेण्याच्या ऐवजी तुम्ही जर ओपन वेसलमधनं स्टीम घेतली तर इट विल इव्हनली स्प्रेड ऑल ओव्हर युअर फेस, अँड दॅट इज द बेस्ट वे यू कॅन टेक स्टीम टू युअर फेस. ऑलवेज कवर युअर आईज वेन यू आर टेकिंग स्टीम. नो स्टीम टू द आईज एव्हर. नेहमी वॉश करताना वेन यू गो फॉर अ शॉवर, यूज कोल्ड वॉटर टू रिन्स युअर फेस, नॉट हॉट वॉटर. कधीही गरम पाण्याने चेहरा धुवायचा नाही. फक्त मेकअप काढताना तुम्ही थोडा गरम पाणी लावू शकता, बट देन ऑलवेज एंड विथ नॉर्मल वॉटर. कोल्ड म्हणजे नॉर्मल वॉटर, नॉट हॉट वॉटर. सो दॅट इज हाऊ यू कॅन टेक केअर ऑफ ड्राय स्किन. अनदर थिंग फॉर ड्राय स्किन इज यू शुड बी ईटिंग मोर गुड फॅटी ॲसिड्स. दॅट मीन्स गुड फॅट्स, म्हणजे तूप आणि फोडणीला घालायचं जे तेल असतं ते चांगल्या प्रतीचं तेल असू दे. डबल फिल्टर्ड ऑइल्स आर गुड. रिफाइंड ऑइल्स, नन ऑफ देम आर गुड. रिफाइंड ऑइल्सच्या मागे जाऊ नका. दे गेट सॅच्युरेटेड इन युअर बॉडी. डबल फिल्टर्ड ऑइल्स आर गुड बिकॉज दे गो व्हेरी वेल विथ द ऑइल्स इन आवर बॉडी. नो सॅच्युरेटेड फॅटी ॲसिड्स. ज्याच्यात सॅच्युरेटेड फॅट्स लिहिलेले असतील दॅट इज द एनिमी ऑफ युअर स्किन. सो जर तुम्ही काही घेऊन आणत असाल बाहेर आणि त्याच्यात सॅच्युरेटेड फॅटी ॲसिड्स लिहिलेलं असेल तर दॅट इज नॉट गुड. दॅट विल गेट accumulated in your body systems. They are the worst and they are the enemies of our livers and lot other organs. So avoid saturated fats, but definitely go with having ghee. Definitely go with having ghee regularly at home. Dry skin चा problem सुटेल. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, clean your stomach. Let there be no constipation. Let there be no lack of sleep at all. सो झोपणं लवकर, साधारण 10:30 ते 11च्या मध्ये हे झालंच पाहिजे, सो दॅट द ड्रायनेस ऑफ युअर स्किन गोज अवे इव्हेंच्युअली. कमीत कमी ती ड्राय राहील. जेवढं जागरण वाढणार तेवढं ड्रायनेस वाढणार, हे नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा. जागरण केलं तर रात्रीच आणि दुपारी झोपलं तरी ड्रायनेस जाणार नाही आहे, कारण प्राकृतिक झोप ही फक्त रात्रीची झोप असते, दुपारची नाही. त्यामुळे दुपारची झोप तुम्ही अवॉइड करा. आय थिंक वी आर वेल अहेड ऑफ टाईम. आणि आय टूक 15 more minutes टुडे बिकॉज आज प्रश्न पण खूप छान आले आणि मला बोलायला पण भरपूर काय काय होतं. सो इट फेल्ट रिअली नाईस टू शेअर ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विथ यू. पुढच्या आठवड्यात आय एम प्लॅनिंग हेअर केअर. ओके, सो and I'm planning some small surprise for you to show so that it will be much easier for you to understand. अरे अच्छा, माझे केस असे आहेत, मग मी अशी काळजी घेतली पाहिजे का? So if you are interested, join me in and I'll be happy to chat again with you. Thank you so much for watching and being here. I'm really grateful that you all are here and we are having a good time chatting. Let us continue this next Wednesday about hair care in Ayurveda. भरपूर बोलायला आहे, भरपूर गप्पा मारूया. थँक यू अगेन फॉर बीइंग हिअर. टेक केअर. हॅव अ वंडरफुल स्किन रुटीन आफ्टर टुडे अँड आय विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे. ओके, चलो, थँक यू व्हेरी मच. ऑल राईट, बाय बाय.